Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will see the geometrical constructions chapter, first exercise. See here, so generally geometry, you know geometrical instruments, right? So a geometry box which contains a graduated ruler, that is scale, and pair of set squares, divider, compass and a protractor. Okay, so we use these all measurements to drawing. So a geometrical construction is the process of drawing a geometrical figure using only two instruments. What are those two instruments? That is an ungraduated ruler, that is scale, and a compass. Scale and compass. If we use only scale and compass in the construction, so those are called geometrical constructions. Okay. So, we have mostly used ruler and compass in the construction of triangle and quadrilaterals in the earlier classes. So, in construction, where some other instruments are also required. Right. So, for angles, we used protractor. Right. So, there are some constructions that cannot be done straight away. So, especially in this chapter, without using protractor, just using scale and compass only, we will see the constructions. Okay, so see here. So we will see in this chapter how to extract the needed values and complete the required shape. So let us start our chapter. So first basic constructions koni manaki idea undali. So here basic constructions means 30, 45, 60, 90 and 120 degrees are the basic constructions. Okay. So before that, here perpendicular bisector. So how to draw the perpendicular bisector, we will see. So to construct the perpendicular bisector to the given line, so first I draw a line segment AB. Students, actually మీరు measure చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. So what is perpendicular bisector? The line must be perpendicular to this AB. And bisector, the line must divide this AB into two equal parts. That is bisection, students. So see, take the compass now. So just take the radius more than half. Okay. So just by looking at this, you are able to observe this radius is just more than half. చూసిన వెంటనే లైన్ లో హాఫ్ అని తెలుస్తోంది కదా. So that radius we have to take. Now with this radius, taking B as center, draw the arcs above and below the lines. Okay. Similarly, with the same radius, without disturbing the compass, again taking A as center, draw another arcs. Now these two arcs intersect at one point, right? So now draw a line by joining these two arcs, or draw a line through these arcs. So this is called perpendicular bisector to this line. See here. So what is AB? 9 centimeters is there, and see exactly at 4.5 this line is there, no? So that means these two parts are equal. Okay, so this is called perpendicular bisector, and we know this angle is 90 straight ga undindi kada. Okay, so in this way we can draw a perpendicular bisector for a given line. So steps of construction. So first a line segment AB is drawn. Next, by taking A and B as centers with radius more than AB by 2, two arcs are drawn on either side of AB. Steps is nothing but the process which we have done. So from A and B on either side we drawn arcs. So that's what I mentioned in this point. Next, the point of intersection of arcs marked as P and Q. PQ is joined and it intersects AB at O. So this POQ is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. Now, construction of angular bisector. See, so this is angle 60 degrees. Okay. Now, how to draw the angular bisector to this? Okay. So, now, take the compass. With any radius, draw an arc. Okay. So, draw an arc. The arc intersect at P and Q. Okay. Now, so with the same radius also you can draw, or you can take just more than half also in this PQ. Okay. So just remember more than half. Perpendicular bisector also we have drawn in the same process. Na? So perpendicular bisector ki manam more than half తీసుకున్నాం కదా. So దీనికి కూడా more than half. Taking more than half radius from P, draw an arc. Similarly, from Q, draw another arc. Now, take the scale and draw a line through A and through this point of intersection. It's a ray, not a line. Now, this is the angular bisector. That means this is 30 and this is 30. Let's check with protractor. See. So see, this is 30 and this is 30. See. So in this way, you can draw the angular bisector to the given angle. So steps of construction. Students, just for your understanding, I took 60 degrees. Okay. So steps of construction I wrote generally. So angle ABC is drawn with some angle. So by taking A as center with some radius, an arc is drawn. That is the next step we done. Next, by taking P and Q as centers, you can draw with same radius or more than half in this PQ. So with equal radii or more than PQ by 2, two arcs drawn. They intersect at D. A ray AD is drawn. This is the required angular bisector of angle ABC. Try this in page number 283. Observe the sides, angles and diagonals of quadrilateral BEFD. Name the figures given below and write the properties of figures. So, we have to observe these figures and their properties, and we have to tell the name, which type of quadrilateral it is. See here, all the sides are equal, right? So BC is equals to, BE is equals to EF is equals to DF is equals to BD. All the sides are equal. So BF is angular bisector of angle P and angle F, and all the sides are equal. So it is a rhombus. So therefore BEDF or BDEF is a rhombus. Okay. Next, second one. Adjacent sides are equal and BF is the angular bisector of this angle P and angle F. So adjacent sides equal ga unnayi ante pillalu, that is a kite. Okay. So this is a kite. Page number 284, try this. Draw a circle, identify a point on it, cut arcs on the circle with the length of the radius in succession. How many parts can the circle be divided into? Give reason. So first of all, we have to draw a circle in succession. That means varusaga manam cut cheyali. So this is the radius, na? So now if I am cutting here, see, I am taking a point here. So from here one arc, again from here another arc. So again from this. So this is the starting point. So how many parts can the circle be divided into? 6 parts. Okay. So give reason. So P is the center of the circle. A is any point on the circle. So PA is the radius R. So the circle can be divided into 6 parts. Okay. The reason, what is the reason means? So number of parts is equals to, so total area by this radius. So what is this total length of the circle, not area. So what is the total length of the circle? That is circumference. Circumference 2 pi r and by r. This r and r both will get cancelled. So 2 pi parts. So we know pi is equals to 22 by 7 or 3.14. So we have 2 pi, right? So 3.14 into 2. So it is 6.26. So nearly 6 parts. So in that way we can divide the circle into 6 parts.